I took some time to closely look at the Delta Pro and the new Delta Pro Ultra from EcoFlow, and even though these are both part of the Pro series, the new Ultra is a whole different story. Join me as I compare the new EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra to the previous frontrunner for the EcoFlow portable power stations, the Delta Pro. Welcome to the Adventure Tech channel. We focus on cost-effective, high-quality solutions to a more comfortable and affordable lifestyle using the most advanced and current technologies available, including solar power, portable power generators, electric vehicles, and more. Technology is moving really quickly these days, so it's easy to be left behind. I'm going to help make things easy for you. I'll do the research so you don't have to. But why should you trust me? Well, I spent over 10 years traveling around the United States as an industrial and environmental inspector using advanced technology like ultrasound and electromagnets to literally see through and inspect machinery. As an inspector, I've experienced with nearly every component you'll find in these places. I've spent time hundreds of feet high, hanging off of towers, taking thickness readings, crawling through 8-inch wide manways into dryer cans that make paper, and even spent time inside tanks that hold the most dangerous chemicals known to man, requiring full oxygen even near the entrance to these tanks. Plus, I've driven days straight across the country and know all about what works and what doesn't on the road and in off-grid situations. Now I'm happy to share what I've learned and my experiences with you. The Delta Pro is the largest standalone portable power station currently available at this time from EcoFlow. The upcoming Delta Pro Ultra will be available in January or February. And right now you can get a discount using the link in the description to get over $1,000 off the Ultra when it ships. The price is supposed to be in the $5,000 range, so after the discount you get it down to the $4,000 range. And you don't have to wait if you want to get the Delta Pro right now, because it's only $2,600 marked down from $3,700. EcoFlow is pretty generous during the holidays. You can find all the links in the comments in the description, find the deals fast, and support my channel at the same time using those links to get over to the discounts. So let's take a look. These are two completely different setups. The Delta Pro is all together in one mobile rolling unit, while the Delta Pro Ultra is split up into two different units, the charger inverter and the battery. Will this shape be better for your application off-grid or in your trailers? Let me know in the comments. I've heard some people complain about not being able to stack the Delta Pro easily. For those of you who had issues, now you have the option of the Pro Ultra, which gives you a nice stack design and a lot of power and a small footprint with the rolling cart. Because you would need about two Delta Pros to match up to one Pro Ultra setup. If you were pushing the Ultra around compared to trying to handle two Delta Pros at the same time, I think it would be easier with the Ultra. So the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra is almost twice the size of the Delta Pro storage at 6 kilowatt hours. The Delta Pro is only 3.6 kilowatt hours. Also, the Delta Pro Ultra can push out an amazing 7.2 kilowatts of power with lifting power of over 10 kilowatts. You can get a similar setup with two Delta Pros with the double voltage hub, but the price will be more at about $6,500 right now. But of course, having two Delta Pros does give you more flexibility and good for modular lifestyle. You can take half of the power on the go instead of having to take all of it with you. So if you end up with the Ultra, you can't split that power up, but with the Deltas, you can. So either way you go, you got some pretty good advantages. Whether you end up with the Delta Pro or the Delta Pro Ultra setup, you're guaranteed to go home happy. And don't forget, right now you can get either one of these for more than $1,000 off the regular price using the links in the description while supplies last. First come, first serve, they said. And it helps my channel out, which helps me bring you more up-to-date information, helping you save even more money. I hope this video helps you out if you've been considering one of these two top-tier portable power stations. Please give the video a like and let us know which one you prefer in the comments. Don't forget, you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most important, click the bell icon so that when I post new videos, you can get the good deals before you end up spending your money on something you might regret.